The International Organization for Standardization surprised manufacturers in 2023 with the news the revision process for its global quality management system standard had begun. After the organization declined to change ISO 9001 in 2021, another revision was not expected until at least 2030. The revision process takes about 3 years, according to ISOSimplified.com, so the next revision should be finalized in 2026. ISO 9001 underwent its last major update in 2015 when the Organization for Standardization adopted a high-level structure to make integrations with other systems easier. Revisions are expected to address the use of AI in automated decision-making, expand the concept of customer satisfaction, renew focus on quality assurance, strengthen service requirements, and clarify a quality management system's role in business processes, ISO Simplified says. According to the website, every ISO 9001 revision incurs costs for certified companies, even when the changes are minimal. The first version of ISO 9001 was published in 1987 and focused on document control and process auditing in quality assurance. The standard has gone through 4 revisions since, with major revamps in 2000 and 2015. As of the last ISO survey in 2022, more than 1.2 million organizations are ISO 9001 certified.